let's see what we have in our kit. Kind of take things out one at a time here and give them a look. See, everybody should have received an MRE. These are meals ready to eat used by our military. You guys do be careful though, if you have any food allergies, to make sure to check your list of ingredients on here. We don't want anybody getting sick, so go ahead and with your parents run through the ingredients if you have any food allergies. So everybody should have received a hat of some kind. We sent out a couple different kinds based on what we had. A pair of these really cool Ingowanas Adventure Base shades. Everybody should have got a whistle. I was lucky enough to get a pink one, just exactly what I wanted. Everybody should have got a paracord bracelet kit. I'll be doing a video on this later to show you how that's done. A little first aid kit, very important. Water bottle. Again, we set out a couple different kinds of water bottles, but everybody should have one. Inside your water bottle, there's a couple of trail snacks in here, some fruit snacks, a couple different kinds of fruit snacks, and either attached to your water bottle, inside your water bottle, Ingowanas Adventure Base carabiner. Put everything back in there. Also some sunflower seeds. Again, if you have any allergies, make sure we're double checking that stuff here. And a length of rope. We're going to be showing you, you're going to have to cut this rope into right in half and fuse the ends. I'm going to show you how to do that in a later video. So if you guys have any questions about what's going to be happening throughout the week here, or any questions about what you received in your program materials, go ahead and shoot a message over to the email that we use to send out all of your program information, and we'll get your questions answered as soon as we can. Otherwise, stay tuned, and we're going to be diving into our Trail of First Class videos here, and I'll be back.